I'm going to fix animal testing. So if you are sure with what this is, it's like in the, see right here, an alternate for testing on an animal. It's not like safe, and it needs to be stopped because it is bad for the animal. So I made a website that can that people can donate blood to, and I could be like used for the testing and not with the animal. So it doesn't like kill the animal. How is this related to AP Human Geography? So it's like with the population, that one, because scientists are not saving these animals, and yeah. English, so I don't really know, but I could write an essay over this, and yeah. Chemistry, so this is like all about this class. It's about human cells that are used to test the chemicals and algebra. As you can see here, I made a pie chart with the animals that are like tested on, and I'm going to stop all of that once everyone uses my idea.